In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book seat reservations on the Rail Planner app. This process can significantly enhance your travel experience by ensuring you have a guaranteed seat on your journey. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to make your reservations seamless and straightforward. First, you'll want to open the Rail Planner app on your device. This app is designed to facilitate your travel planning and make it easier to navigate your journey across Europe. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The layout is user-friendly, allowing you to access various features quickly. Ensuring you have the latest version of the app can also help you avoid any potential glitches during your booking. Next, sign into your URail or Interrail account. This step is crucial because it links your reservations to your account and ensures that all your travel information is stored securely. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly in the app. Remember, having an account helps keep your travel details organized and accessible, which saves time later on. After signing in, you will be ready to plan your journey. Now tap on the Planner option or use the search bar at the top of the screen. This feature allows you to access train schedules and routes efficiently. If you're using the search bar, simply type in your departure station and your destination. This is where you specify precisely where you're traveling from and to. Being accurate with these details is important because it directly impacts the results you will receive, ensuring you find the correct trains for your journey. Once you have entered your departure and destination stations, select your travel date and then tap Search. This action prompts the app to display a list of available trains for your specified route and date. You will see various options, including different travel times and types of trains. Having multiple options can provide you with flexibility in planning your travel schedule, which is especially beneficial during busy travel seasons. After reviewing the available trains, choose the train you want to take. Pay attention to the departure and arrival times, as well as any transfers that may be necessary. This selection process is key as it sets the stage for your seat reservation. Choosing the right train ensures that your travel experience aligns with your plans and preferences, making your journey more enjoyable. If a reservation is required or available, tap on Book Seat Reservation or simply Book. This step will take you to the reservation details page. Here you will see crucial information about the train, such as the price and seat availability. This information allows you to make informed decisions about your travel, ensuring you are aware of any costs involved before proceeding. Next, review the reservation details carefully. It's essential to ensure everything is correct, including the price and seat selection. If everything looks good, enter the required passenger information. This may include the name and age of each traveler. Taking a moment to double-check these details can prevent any issues later, ensuring a smooth booking process. After entering the necessary passenger information, complete the payment to confirm your reservation. The app will guide you through the payment process, which is typically straightforward. Once the payment is confirmed, you can feel reassured that your seat is reserved, making your travel plans solid. Finally, after booking, your reservation will be emailed to you. It will also appear in your URail account under Reservations. Depending on the route, you might receive either an e-ticket or a paper reservation for certain trains. This confirmation is important as it serves as proof of your booking and provides peace of mind as you prepare for your journey. Note that not every train can be reserved directly through the Rail Planner app. If you don't see a booking option, follow the More Information link to book through the appropriate railway operator or the URail website. High-speed and night trains often require reservations, while many regional trains do not. For the best availability, book reservations as early as possible, especially during busy travel periods. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to book your seat reservations using the Rail Planner app. Enjoy your travels!